If the glass turntable in your microwave is not turning or it's like popping and bouncing around and jumping, you might have an issue with the rollers underneath it. And we can just, these are super cheap to replace. And you just want to make sure that you get the right one if you see that it's broken or if these wheels are worn out or anything like that. We just want to make sure a couple things to make sure we get the right one. We might have these specs in our manual or anything like that, but the only thing we really need to make sure that we get is we need to make sure we have these two things. We need to make sure we have the right size wheels. So for example, these are 15 millimeter wheels, and then they are about 21 centimeters. And then we want to make sure we get the diameter right here, which is about 21 centimeters. So for this particular one, I'll put a link in the description below to where you can get it, but just make sure you have those two numbers correct when you buy your new one. And then you could just come in here, set it in here. Sorry for my dirty microwave. Put your tray back in, and everything should be working again.